baby. A hangar video on a Friday? You betcha. So we got a little special something going on tomorrow, which tomorrow being Saturday. And well, we had to move some aircraft. And I'm hoping that tomorrow we'll be able to see some of you guys and say hi and get to see some of the other cool aircraft out on the ramp. And well, let me just show you what we had going on. So without further ado, let's get these aircraft moving. Gotta make sure that wingtip clears. Yeah, baby. Yep, gotta move my truck. Well. Yeah, now we're good. Now we're talking. Gotta back her up against the fence now. We'll try not to hit the MiG. Alright, let's chalk it. Alright, one down. 2 more to go. Alright, get the chalk. She's ready to roll. Here we go. What a beauty. Alright, time to chalk it. Here is one. And 2. We're good. All right, well, that's fun. We got all the aircraft over here safely, and Jerry here is the Director of Flight Operations here at Lone Star and is putting on this event. You want to tell us about it a little bit?
Great. Thank you, Jamie. We're excited to have Collins and Vietnam War Museum, in addition our own aircraft and some other visiting aircraft this weekend. And we're honoring Vietnam veterans. And so what better way than have all these aircraft, these beautiful aircraft out here. And so tomorrow the gate will be open, the museum will be open at 10, and then the ramp will be open from 10 till 3. So we've got 14, 15 aircraft that were Vietnam era, from trainers to supersonic. So come out and join us, and we want to say special thanks to the folks there at Collins as well as Vietnam War Flight Museum. So thank you guys. They did a great job getting this stuff ready to go. So,
it's a pleasure, Jerry. I'm glad we can make it over here for this.
Yep, we're pleased too. This F-4 is sitting here as the centerpiece for the whole thing. So very, very happy to have it.
Ain't she a doll?
Absolutely.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Jerry. All right, hopefully we can see some of y'all there too. So with that, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully we see some of you guys tomorrow. And I'll have my normal upload Sunday morning like always as well. Thanks, guys.